Alright guys, this is a 1999 Chevy Express Cargo with a 4.3 V6 in it. Just kind of doing a little troubleshooting here, trying to figure out why it's got such a, on startup it stumbles quite a bit and will finally smooth out, and I could almost hear like a vacuum leak. It's been that way for some time, so I guess I just got used to it, but I think I may have found out where that's at. You can probably hear it yourself there. Got a hole in that fitting right there. Anyway, thought I'd show somebody. Might be something to check.